In a universe filled with billions of galaxies, we live on one extraordinary planet. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from shifting continents to distant stars, every corner holds a story. Welcome to GeoStar Insights. Within the lush canopy of rainforests, countless species thrive and play their part in an intricate ecosystem. Right now, beneath your feet, something powerful is happening. What is inside the Earth? The ground feels solid and stable, but deep below the surface, the Earth is not calm at all. There is burning heat, there is crushing pressure, there is molten metal moving like an ocean of fire. If we could travel 6,371 kilometers to the center of the Earth, what would we find? At the center lies the core, a giant iron sphere spinning steadily, driving our planet's magnetic field. Above it, the mantle churns, slow but unstoppable currents of solid rock, responsible for the movement of continents. And on the surface, tectonic plates shift and grind, giving shape to mountains and valleys over millions of years. The Earth is alive, from its fiery heart to its breathy atmosphere, sculpting a dynamic world. A journey to its core is still beyond reach, yet its stories are written in stones and stars. The mysteries within await us. Scientists tirelessly analyze the stories held within each rock. Each fragment is a clue, helping us trace the Earth's dynamic history. From volcanic eruptions that reshape landscapes to the slow erosion by wind and water, the Earth's surface is a testament to change. The grandeur of our planet is as much about its volatile heart as its serene facade, endlessly cycling energy and life. Though we stand on its surface, our understanding of Earth continues to grow. It fuels our passion, our wanderlust, our quest for knowledge. To understand Earth is to understand our place in the universe, an endless frontier both vast and intimate. As we peel back the layers of our planet, we uncover not just its mysteries, but a reflection of life itself, bound by time, ever-changing. Each discovery deepens our understanding and fuels the dreams of those who dare to look closer, to ask deeper questions. The Earth, our anchor in a vast cosmos, tells tales of resilience and rebirth, of cycles and transformation. Earth structure overview. Scientists divide the structure of the Earth into four main layers: crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. Each layer has a different composition, temperature, and role in shaping our planet. The crust, our planet's thinnest layer, is where life as we know it thrives. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, a vast region of semi-solid rock that convects to drive plate tectonics. The outer core, composed of molten metals, creates Earth's magnetic field. At the very center is the inner core, a solid metal sphere undergoing intense pressure and heat. Together, these layers tell the dynamic story of our planet's formation and evolution. From the scorching heart to the life-bearing surface, Earth is a marvel of natural engineering. These elements constantly interact, giving rise to phenomena like earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain formations. Unlike other barren worlds, our planet remains a vibrant oasis uniquely suited to support life. Over billions of years, Earth continually evolves, adapting to changes and fostering diverse ecosystems. As a testament to its resilience and complexity, Earth remains our sole cradle in the cosmic expanse. From the depths of the ocean to the peaks of the highest mountains, Earth's environments sustain a wide range of life forms. Life on Earth is a complex web, each species playing a part in the balance of ecosystems. Humans have thrived within Earth's embrace, growing from small tribes to advanced civilizations. Our progress is a testament to Earth's resources, and the challenges it presents compel us to innovate and adapt. Together, across borders and horizons, humanity holds the key to Earth's future. Yet, with innovation and dedication, we face environmental challenges like climate change and biodiversity loss. Through international cooperation, nations strive to preserve this precious planet for future generations. Sustainable innovations in energy and architecture arise, offering a blueprint for harmony between humanity and nature. On this blue planet, our collective story continues, a beacon of hope and potential in the vast universe. Crust is the outermost layer of the Earth. It is where we live. Compared to the rest of the planet, the crust is extremely thin. If Earth were the size of an apple, the crust would be thinner than the apple's skin. The crust is broken into large sections called tectonic plates. When plates collide, earthquakes happen. When plates move apart, volcanoes form. Beneath the oceans, the crust is even thinner. It's constantly reshaped by ocean currents and plate movements. In some places, these dynamic interactions create deep ocean trenches, while in others, they give rise to soaring mountain ranges. The Earth's crust hosts diverse ecosystems, from bustling cities to serene meadows and vast deserts. Each environment tells a story of the land's evolving shape. Over millions of years, the movement of these plates changes the face of our planet, creating and destroying continents, islands, and landscapes. Life itself is intricately linked to these geological processes. The nutrients recycled by plate movements nourish the soil and foster life. The ecosystems thriving on the crust are a testament to the balance between geological forces and life. Even the smallest organisms, like lichen, cling to rocks, beginning slow transformations that over time contribute to soil formation. In the grand scale of the universe, the changes here on Earth are but a fleeting moment, yet they remind us of the dynamic beauty of our ever-evolving home. Forests sprout from this crust, their roots weaving into the soil and supporting a network of life. Rivers carve through the land, carrying stories of time and change. On the fertile plains, the land provides sustenance for all life, a testament to the giving nature of the Earth's surface. With each dawn, the sun casts light on the story of the crust, illuminating its past and nurturing its future. As we walk upon this crust, may we tread lightly, cherishing the intricate tapestry of Earth's living shell. Below the crust lies the mantle. The mantle extends about 2,900 kilometers deep. It is not fully solid and not fully liquid. It moves very slowly over millions of years. Heat from the core creates convection currents. Hot material rises, cooler material sinks. These slow movements drive plate tectonics and shape the surface of the Earth. Over time, these movements cause the continents to drift. Supercontinents form and break apart. The movement of plates can lead to volcanic eruptions, the formation of mountains, and even earthquakes. Under this immense pressure, minerals change and new rocks form, telling the story of Earth's history. As the surface of Earth changes, life evolves to meet new challenges, adapting and thriving. From mantle currents to the cosmos, the Earth remains a dynamic, ever-changing planet in the universe. Yet as we gaze beyond, we see the universe is also in motion, with galaxies twisting and stars being born. On Earth, every tree, mountain, and river tells a part of this vast story, a narrative written over eons. Today, human civilization in all its complexity stands as one of Earth's newest creations, ever adapting. Each generation grows with the awareness of this legacy, eyes filled with wonder and minds ready to explore. And so, life continues to evolve under the nurturing watch of our dynamic planet, a testament to possibility. In the vast canvas of the universe, each star marking a moment, each galaxy a chapter in time's grand narrative. From the fiery creation of our world to the emergence of conscious thought, Earth's history is a chronicle of transformation. Humanity captures this journey, threading it into tales across generations, ensuring our collective memory endures. We are part of an intricate web where Earth's energy dances with the cosmos, a synergy of forces too vast to fully comprehend. And so, with every sunrise, Earth turns and life dances to the rhythm of the universe, forever embraced in celestial harmony. Below the mantle lies the outer core. The outer core is made mostly of molten iron and nickel. Temperatures here exceed 5,000 degrees Celsius. As the liquid metal moves, it creates electric currents that generate Earth's magnetic field. This invisible shield protects life from harmful solar radiation. The magnetosphere extends thousands of kilometers into space. Without the magnetic field, life as we know it would not exist. A stunning phenomenon caused by interactions within the magnetosphere is the aurora. These natural light displays remind us of our planet's dynamic and protective layers. Our planet is a unique interplay of forces, each contributing to the stability and beauty we witness daily. Ocean currents, driven by both winds and Earth's rotation, regulate climate and sustain ecosystems. On the surface, rainforests and ice caps play crucial roles in balancing Earth's climate and preserving biodiversity. From a single seed to sprawling cities, life on Earth has adapted to thrive in diverse conditions. As we continue to explore and understand, we reveal more about the delicate phenomena that sustain life. This is our home, a living planet full of wonder and resilient beauty. Beyond the visible, every leaf whispers stories of survival and interaction. In harsh deserts, life finds resilient ways to endure the unforgiving climate. Towering mountains stand as guardians of ancient ecosystems, shaping weather patterns and harboring life uniquely adapted to altitudes. From the tiniest droplet teeming with microcosms to the vast expanse of oceans, Earth maintains a balance through complex interdependence. Let us cherish and protect this unique world we call home, recognizing our role in its ongoing story of life. At the very center lies the inner core. Even though it is hotter than the surface of the sun, it remains solid because of extreme pressure. Scientists believe the inner core may rotate slightly faster than the rest of the planet. Enveloping the inner core is the outer core, a churning layer of molten metals. This motion creates Earth's magnetic field, shielding us from harmful solar radiation. The mantle, solid yet plastic, flows slowly, carrying the continents along. It is this gradual dance that fuels volcanic eruptions and quakes. Finally, the crust, diverse and vibrant, where all life as we know it thrives. The crust is where the beauty of nature unfolds in stunning diversity, shaping the environment in perfect harmony with life. From the smallest organisms to the largest animals, each plays a role in maintaining this delicate balance on Earth's outer shell. Humans, too, are part of this intricate web, building civilizations and continually exploring new frontiers in science and technology. Amidst the natural wonders and human achievements, Earth shines as a beacon of life in the vastness of space. And so our journey through the Earth's layers comes to an end, reminding us of the power and fragility of our planet. How scientists know humans have never drilled more than 12 kilometers into the Earth. Scientists study seismic waves from earthquakes to understand Earth's structure. Seismic waves. These waves change speed depending on the material they pass through. By analyzing these changes, scientists map the inside of our planet. Deep beneath the surface lies the core of the Earth, a realm of extreme heat and pressure. This inner core is predominantly made of iron and nickel, crucial for generating Earth's magnetic field. Our understanding continues to grow through global cooperation and relentless research efforts. With each discovery, the mysteries of our planet are slowly unveiled, inspiring future generations to explore further. Space technology plays a critical role in enhancing our geological studies. Satellites equipped with advanced sensors help in tracking seismic activities and monitoring planetary changes. The data gathered not only strengthens our understanding of the planet beneath, but also informs our collective future. Climate change and tectonic shifts leave markers that only advanced methodologies can decipher. Educational programs are pivotal in nurturing the curiosity of young minds across the globe. They hold the key to unlocking further secrets as they stand on the shoulders of giants who once dared to explore the unknown. Our journey to uncover the depths of our planet is far from over. Each moment spent digging, analyzing, and observing brings us closer to the heart of the Earth's greatest secrets. Together we forge ahead, more connected than ever, to this awe-inspiring sphere we call home. From space, Earth looks peaceful and calm, but inside it is alive with energy. Shifting plates, moving rock, molten metal, a solid iron heart. Explore Earth, explore the universe. In cities and towns, life unfolds in a cacophony of sound. The hum of engines, the buzz of conversations, the pulse of humanity. Beyond the chaos, nature thrives in majestic tranquility. Mountains stand tall, rivers carve paths, forests whisper ancient secrets. Yet out in the vast cosmos, Earth is but a speck of dust among stars. The journey of discovery is endless, and it begins with us. In the spiral arms of our galaxy, countless worlds wait to be explored. Each star a beacon of potential, every planet a new chapter. A child's fascination with space ignites a future scientist. From curiosity comes knowledge, and from knowledge, transformation. As we look to the heavens, we prepare to venture forth. Our destiny is not alone on this blue planet, but among the stars. Within the cocoon of steel and innovation, humanity extends its touch. Boundaries are mere illusions when dreams take flight. On the ground, minds locked in discovery challenge the unknown. Across nations, a shared language of science unites us. Under the vast night sky, we reconnect with the mysteries of our past. Each twinkle a story, each constellation a guide. Innovation propels us forward, lighting pathways in the dark. Earth, teeming with life, is our launchpad to an infinite universe. Our planet is full of wonders, and the universe holds even greater mysteries. The more we explore, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. If you're curious about Earth and beyond, like, share, comment, and subscribe to GeoStar Insights. The journey has only just begun. Witness the magnificence of our planet, the dance of nature in perfect harmony. Feel the power of the oceans, stories whispered by the winds. Let the night sky ignite your wonder. Each star a beacon of the infinite. Join us and discover the unseen, where every corner of our universe is waiting to be explored.